Thinking about switching to a rock-solid Linux system? Today, we're comparing Lmde 7 and Debian 13 to help you pick the right one. Lmde 7, released in October 2025, is Linux Mint's version built directly on Debian 13. It combines Debian stability with Mint's polish. Debian 13, released in August 2025, is the pure upstream base that powers many other systems. Think of Debian as the foundation and Lmde as the furnished house built on top. Both run on the same core system. They share Debian 13 as their base and use Linux kernel 6.12, but the experience is different. Lmde gives you the Cinnamon desktop out of the box. It's modern, clean, and ready to use. You get fingerprint login support, better app management, and polished themes. Everything works right after install. No hunting for drivers or tweaking settings. Debian offers more desktop choices like GNOME or KDE. It's more bare bones. You pick what you want and build from there. Debian uses vanilla versions of desktop environments, while Lmde adds Mint's custom touches. Users report Lmde feels faster and more responsive than Ubuntu-based systems. Boot times are quicker and updates run smoother. Both are stable, but Lmde removes some of the rough edges. Choose Lmde if you want something that just works. It's perfect for daily use on laptops or desktops. Preloaded apps mean less setup time. Great for people switching from Windows or Mac. Pick Debian if you like control. Servers, for example, love Debian's no-nonsense stability. Advanced users who want to customize everything also prefer it. You decide what goes on in your system. Hardware matters too. Debian freezes packages after release, while Lmde updates the desktop and core apps regularly. On older machines, both run great. Lmde uses about 750 megabytes of memory when idle, and also Lmde 7 gets support until June 2028, matching Debian's timeline. Debian 13 offers 5 years of support total. Security patches come regularly for both. You won't be left behind. Both are excellent choices, but Lmde wins for ease of use and polish, while Debian wins for flexibility and minimalism. You can't go wrong with either. Try both in a virtual machine and see which one feels right. That's it, guys. Pick based on your needs, not hype. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.